Gotta do my art, or I'll be miserable. But I'm miserable, so I have to do my art. You know, like, what's the point, man? Like either it should be a means to an end. I'm okay. I've purged my art.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Oswaldo from Rock Entry. Hope you guys are having a great day today. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna go over this green problem. I'm gonna be going through the crux, where I failed, and what I did to send the problem. Alright guys, let's do this. Alright, so looking at the holds here, there's no pinches. It's pretty much open hand grips. Pretty much a sloper type of hold. So right now I'm just getting a feel for it and trying to get the flow for it. Like, which direction am I gonna go? Am I gonna go straight up or to the left? So in this case, I get a feeling I have to go this direction. So I give it a go. Alright, not bad for my first attempt, but as you can see here, it is a crimp, but if I overshoot it, I'll slip out, so I know I have to be precise. When I shoot this left hand, I have to land it in the crack. Now, another thing, my priority is to land it on this side of the hold, not on this side. If I land it on this side, I'm gonna have to readjust and bring it up so I can bring over my right hand and match. But even if I land it, I'm fine. I don't mind readjusting and continuing. I also want to point out, for these three holds here, my main goal is to use most of my body weight to hang on to these open hand grip holds. So I want to reserve as much energy as I can for that throw. Alright, let's try that again.
And you?
Alright, and we did it. Yes. Alright guys, if you find this video useful or helpful in any way, please do hit that like button. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe for more climbing videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.